Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the LUV Egg, so let's get started. So this is the LUV Egg itself. Now this is shown here in the colour pastel blue, but it's also available in various other colours as well. As you can see, it comes with a handy remote control, so you can challenge yourself or your partner with this LUV Egg. It's absolutely perfect for partners who are looking for an exciting sex toy. As you can see, it's made of a soft silicone material which is body safe and will feel really comfortable during use. It also has a handy drawstring, meaning insertion and removal is simple and easy. It has an extra powerful motor with 12 vibration settings to choose from. To turn on, press and hold down. A light will flash on. Press once more and it's on. To change the settings, simply tap and decide which vibration setting is for you. To use the remote control, press the middle button and the egg stops. Press once more, and using the little wiggly lines on either side, you can change the vibration settings. And you can use the plus button to increase this, or the minus to decrease this. To turn off, click on the middle button again, and it's now off. Make sure to turn the egg off completely by pressing and holding down until the light switches off. To charge, it's very simple and easy to do. Where the DC letters are, that is where the charging port is. And using the USB charging cable provided, simply slot it in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the LUV Egg, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. The egg is also waterproof, but not to the remote control. And that is the LUV Egg. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.